Good day, my name is Milan and I am 21 years old and I want to teach you everything I know about the IT support department and how to optimize your own PC. I've admired computers since I was young. I was playing around with them and my first one was when I was 8 years old. I went to work in an IT shop when I was 14 years old and here I learned a lot of my experience that I'm going to teach you on this channel. This is the intro video, so if you're watching it in the intro tab, you can actually subscribe right above me. If you're interested in optimizing on Windows, knowing more about your computer, playing around with Linux, for example, and getting the best apps you could ever get on any other channel. Therefore, we want to become the best tech tips channel on this YouTube platform. And how I can achieve this is by you, the community themselves. If you go to the description of this video, like any other video, you can go to our Reddit community r/Diphonus. So if you're interested, drop a like, comment on this video with every single one so we can keep promoting this, and comment down below so you can also help other people with the best advice. Always correct us. We are also learning the same way as you on Diphonus, which is the company that I made so we can produce a lot of educational channels and everything like that and share all the knowledge we have. So please hit us up if you want to get in contact. Help us get this all done. I'm so thankful for the time I have and we will continue to grow into the future. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.